Back again for another edition, Friday edition of No Edits Crypto, episode 272. First story today is a bit of FUD. I don't like to cover FUD too much on this program, but it's hard to ignore this one as Brad Sherman, the Democratic Congressman, is back in the news again. According to a video posted on Twitter by crypto education group Coin Center, a congressman with a history of being opposed to digital currencies has once again raised the possible ban of the technology. I look for colleagues to join with me in introducing a bill to outlaw cryptocurrency purchases by Americans so that we nip this in the bud, in part because an awful lot of our international power comes to the fact that the dollar is the standard unit of international finance and transactions. This just shows how little he knows about blockchain technology. You cannot shut it down. It is the announced purpose of the supporters of cryptocurrency to take that power away from us, to put us in a position where the most significant sanctions we have on Iran, for example, would become irrelevant. Whether it is to disempower our foreign policy, our tax collection enforcement, or our traditional law enforcement, the purposes of cryptocurrency, the advantage has over our sovereign currency is solely to aid in this disempowerment of the United States and the rule of law. Actually, the entire point of cryptocurrency is to get back to the rule of law and provide the entire world with a real chance at free markets and capitalism, which is voluntary exchange, which the state, by its nature, makes impossible, as it's a socialist organization. So, shows how little he knows about basically everything. Economics, the rule of law. Actually, you deep dive a little bit further about why he feels this way. And you take a small, it doesn't take a lot of studying here. Just a simple Google search yields that he has been the recipient of hundreds of thousands of dollars through political action committees, PACs that are used to funnel money into the pockets of these political overlords. And the majority of his money, at least a good portion of it here, has come from commercial banking, affiliates, Credit Union National, Royal Banking Company. So it's hard to ignore that he is getting his pockets lined, and he's I don't think his real worry here, his real worry at all, is the United States government. His worry is that if these companies are replaced by cryptocurrency and blockchain, that his pockets won't be lined anymore, and he'll have to actually earn his money on the market like the rest of us. So that just goes to show you where his real concerns lie. So Bitcoin was quick to put out a reaction video to this, and here it is. So there you have it, Bitcoin with a little bit of Friday humor there. Into the second story today, which is crypto wallet Abra has in-app support for thousands of U.S. banks. Cryptocurrency wallet and investment app Abra now allows users to connect accounts from thousands of U.S. banks, the firm announced Thursday. The expanded bank options come courtesy of the integration with Plaid, a fintech service that enables applications to connect with a user's bank account using APIs. Until now, Abra users in the US and EU have had the option to fund their wallets via bank transfer. Third story in the news today is a new Bitcoin ETF filing with the SEC throws Ethereum into the mix. It's hardly as if the Securities and Exchange Commission are breaking any speed records deciding on pure Bitcoin-based ETFs. Now they also have to consider the implications of Ether. The USCF Crescent Crypto Index Fund, XBET ticker symbol, will track the Crescent Crypto Core 2 Index CCN in INDX. This measures the performance of a market cap weighted portfolio of Bitcoin and Ether, the two largest and most liquid cryptocurrencies. United States Commodity Funds LLC (USCF) will invest in XBET funds assets into the two cryptocurrencies. So this shouldn't speed up any ETF news. Into the market, Bitcoin up 5.44%. As I said, about to test that $6,400 range. A lot of experts are calling for a pullback still at 6,400. But if it blows through that, 11,000 could be in the near future or medium run future. It's at $6,372. Ethereum is up 2.62%, 172.77. Bitcoin Cash up 1.14%, $284.81. Litecoin up 2.72%, $74.50. EOS up 0.42 or down 0.42%, $4.80. Binance Coin bouncing back, rebounding just a little bit, up 0.46%, $19.20. Monero up 1.54%, $66.13. Dash up 1.13%, $111.30. Ethereum Classic down 0.95%, $5.48. Neo up 0.59%, $8.62. Steem up 1.6%, 30 cents, almost 31 cents. 31 cents. And to FlashCoin, which is at 0.00325 cent and currently up 24.31% for the last 24 hours. So this market, the alts have bled out a little bit over the last week. They're trying to bounce back a little bit here. But the aggregate market cap, the big story for today as far as the market cap goes, or as market goes, as well as Bitcoin pushing over 6K up to 6,400 the last few days now, is that aggregate market cap is at a year high now. A 2019 high at 192,733,600,000, and Bitcoin dominance is up over 58.5% at 58.57. So Bitcoin dominance really taking off. I know a lot of people, I just feel like they're going to take some profits soon and then throw it into the alts, and it'll be alt season again. Some people saying that there's a divergence now, that Bitcoin is going to just take off and leave these guys in the dust. I don't see that happening. Everyone, enjoy your Friday.